the new channel. Hashtag TNC Now.
The views, opinions, and insights expressed in the following shows are those of the host, producers, guests, and viewers. They do not necessarily reflect the position of the channel. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello and welcome to the new channel.
Our passion transforms a community that sees and shares all things new. This is Riuel Pindoy,
And this is Hannah Taspeses, and you're watching the
the
1%
1%
movement
movement on TNC.
on PNC. Small steps.
Big impact. Welcome to the 1% movement show.
Where inconsistent incremental improvements can lead to significant changes over time.
So in today's episode, we're talking about changing career. No? Or maybe not necessarily changing, but more on navigating yung career mo. If you really want ba yung career mo today, or you want to transition to the career na gusto mo, and be confident with it. So if you're contemplating a career change, baka para sa'yo tong episode na to. So gain insights into making smooth transitions and positioning yourself for success.
Pero bago mo na yan, guys, syempre magpapakilala muna kami. I'm Hannah. I'm a civil engineer, contractor, and a career development mentor.
And I am Riuel, a financial coach, an entrepreneur, and a unit manager. So we help young professionals like you in building their dream lives.
From getting career clarity to learning life new skills to building the right financial foundation. Ayan. So,
Yan. So medyo
napaka-timely
bigat, no? Yeah.
Actually, yes. Kasi as someone who has been mentoring na rin, di ba, thousands and hundreds of life engineers and also you, di ba, we've talked to a
Mm-mm.
lot of life engineers in one-on-one career clarity calls and talagang isa to sa mga madalas na tanungin talaga sa atin. Di ba?
Yeah, 'di ba? So, okay lang ba, 'di ba, yung mga madalas na ano, I'm ganitong taon na sa industry, sa career na 'to. Okay lang bang lumipat? Okay lang ba mag-change ng career? Tawag dito, practical pa ba lumipat, 'no? So,
Yeah.
ang daming questions about that. Pero for you, maybe 'no, for you guys listening and watching our show, baka ikaw na 'to, baka para sa'yo 'to kasi baka biglang tumama na sa'yo yung tanong na 'yan na, ah, kailangan ko bang mag-change ng career para maging masaya, 'no? Ayan. So,
And I
saan ba
think
'to
this
galing?
also, yeah,
Ayan.
and I think this also applies then sa in whatever level or age you are right now. May you be na
Mm.
nasa early 20s nila, 30s, 40s, and even mga seniors, 'di ba, na kahit
Oo.
nandun na sila sa top, they still
Hmm,
even think na, is it too late for a career change?
pero
Ayan.
bakit nati-trigger 'yan? So, siyempre may ano 'yan, may underlying condition, may underlying cause. Bakit nafi-feel nila yung, is it too late for a career or bakit nila naisip na magpalit ng career? So, ano ba yung mga ano 'yan, naririnig ko 'yan madalas sa ano mo, sa mga talk mo, eh.
Sa
Ano
talks,
ba 'yan,
yeah.
nadi-trigger mo? Yeah.
Actually, madalas natin siya tawagin as our triple U, or
Hmm,
if you feel that you are underpaid and undervalued and uninspired in your careers. Kahit
'yun,
isa lang
'no?
actually doon sa tatlong yun, sa triple U na yun,
Mapapaisip ka na, eh.
mapapaisip ka na eh. Pero what more,
Oo.
kung lahat yung triple U na yun, you would feel all that in, 'di ba? So siguro give tayo
Jackpot.
ng example,
Oo.
'di ba? Give tayo ng
Sige.
a
Ikaw yung
persona or
maraming
someone
kausap,
that
eh.
we know. Ayan, someone that we know. Ayan. So if you are a fan of Friends, 'di
Mm.
ba? You may have heard na
Yeah.
recently, 'di ba, yung isa sa mga stars nila, Matthew Perry, who portrayed Chandler Bing passed away. So dun kaya
Yeah.
natin siya naipasok kasi for some reason, 'di ba, isa sa mga pino-pertain niya na roles is he is in a job na okay naman pero for some reason bigla siyang nag-quit, 'di ba? O someone
Oo,
who is a
actually
fan of Friends, ayan sige. Yung
oo.
story
Actually siya
of
yung pinakamayaman,
parang
eh. Yeah, siya yung
oo,
pinakamayaman sa
actually.
magkakaibigan. Siya yung ano, naalala ko nga yun, eh, isang episode, sobrang yabang pa niya kasi siya pa yung may dala ng computer. Sabi ko, "Wow, napakalaking bagay ng computer kahit may malaking box sa likod ng monitor." So, siya may pinakamalaking sahod, pero eventually, kinailangan niyang mag-change ng career. So, okay, kuwento, do you remember bakit? Bakit ba nag-change ng career si Chandler?
Ano yun, eh, New Year episode,
Oo,
New Year ba or Christmas, ayan. So,
basta doon.
parang ang naging turning point niya is holidays, pero wala siya, 'di niya kasama yung loved ones niya,
Oo,
especially si Monica, 'di ba?
yeah. So, pagkakalala ko ikakasal yata sila or bagong kasal. Pero kailangan niyang ano mo yun, parang na-miss niya nga tama ka dun, it's holiday season pero wala siya doon sa kanyang, loved ones, sa kanyang friends, pero malaki sahod niya. So, in short,
Yeah.
sa Triple U, alin siya dun? Uninspired, maybe,
Hmm,
'no?
yeah,
Maybe 'no,
uninspired
uninspired.
maybe, yeah,
Oo,
yeah,
kasi hindi siya underpaid kasi laki ng sahod niya, eh. Alam ko
oo,
kaka-promote lang niya nun, eh. So, uninspired siya kasi ang inspiration niya, ang why niya is for him to have more time with his friends and lalo na kay Monica. So he's really willing to give up his high-paying job para lang makasama yung friends niya and si Monica. Then eventually, dahil sa kanyang big leap and with the support of his friends, lalo na kay Monica, nakahanap siya ng, gusto niyang trabaho, which is parang yun yung trabaho niyang or yung career na gusto niya ever since, which is part of an advertising company. Na
yes.
dahil na-attract na niya yung positive vibes of having that, job and nagkaroon ng different amazing opportunities para sa kanya, 'yan.
Ayan. So maybe, 'di ba, eto we could use his story para himay-himayin natin yung mga naging steps ni Chandler while he is transitioning from his old job or old career niya into a new one. Ayan.
Yan, so in commemoration dahil it's a big hit, sa ating feels 'no, ang daming feels kahapon nung nalaman niyo yung
Yeah,
story,
actually.
yung balita na yan. So, para 'to kay Chandler and his sarcastic jokes.
Ayan,
Ayan,
we're gonna share
sige,
with you guys
kuwento.
7 tips, ayan, to change careers as a young professional or a life engineer. So let's start with our
Yeah,
first, which is asking yourself the big question.
yeah,
Why?
why,
Bakit?
'di ba?
Bakit?
Napakasimple, why? So, why do you want to change career, 'di ba? Kasi yung work ni Chandler so balik na sa kuwento 'no, kasi yung work ni Chandler
Yeah.
napalayo siya, 'di ba? Napalayo siya kay Monica and sa friends niya kaya willing siya to change career no matter what, as long as papalapit siya sa friends niya and kay Monica. So, ikaw Hana, 'yan ikaw, alam kong naging maganda yung story mo dahil nga bumagsak ka sa civil engineer board exam, talagang nilaban mo yung pagiging civil engineer. Tas kanina nabanggit mo you're a career mentor, pero wala naman 'yan sa course? Unless 'no,
Yeah.
well, di ko alam if nasa units ba ng civil engineer yun na to be a career
Wala.
mentor kasi sa mechanical wala.
Wala.
So, bakit 'no, eh, civil engineer ka naman na?
So siguro ano, asking yourself talaga the big why. At at first, siyempre katulad din tayo ni Chandler na nagkaroon na ng thoughts na what if mag-pursue ako ng different career, what if mag-resign na lang ako, or what if I just quit, 'di ba? Iwan ko na lang lahat. But still,
Hmm,
hindi mo pa rin siya ginawa kasi you still have your reservations. May mga what ifs ka pa rin. Pero, babalik ka pa rin and there's this thing or one scenario in your life na parang bigla ka na lang mahihimasmasan na, oo nga 'no, 'Di ba? For Chandler, it can be that scenario or that scene na yung holidays nga wala siya sa piling ng loved ones niya. And I think for me, yung sa akin is the pandemic period talaga na everything
Mm.
was on hold, everything was on pause. Wala kaming work sa construction. So, ano yung pwede kong gawin that can still have an impact to others? Kasi yun yung something na matagal ko na rin palang ginagawa, but I didn't just have the platform to do it. So, kaya naging career mentor tayo ng hindi natin alam.
Mm.
And I
Yeah,
think,
so in short
siguro, sige, sige.
sige, go. Ano, siguro ano, tuloy mo.
Ikaw na, ikaw.
So in short, hindi mo na-imagine maging career mentor nung nag-aaral ka pa, tama?
Exactly. Yes, yes.
Oo,
Wala
and then
talaga
may
siya.
sumampal lang sa'yo. Well, maraming sinampal yung pandemic. So sinampal ka ng pandemic na, "Uy, baka it's time to pursue your dreams," 'di ba? Ah,
Ayan, exactly. Pero syempre, hindi lang ako yung magsha-share. Dapat ikaw din, di ba? As
okey, so
we
next
all
hindi,
know,
joke lang.
ayan, di ba, you're already a mechanical engineer din naman. Ayan. So,
Oo,
you've been working and employed sa Bataan for, I think, 5 years, kung di ako nagkakamali. And you've been a financial coach for part-timer. So, what made you shift or jump careers din? Ano yung
yeah,
moment
nakaka-relate
na
ako.
yun?
Nakaka-relate ako kay Chandler. Pero partida kay Chandler kasi malaki sahod niya. So, napakalaking
Hmm,
talon talaga nung kanya. While ako naman,
yeah,
working in Bataan, living in the Metro Manila with the family, medyo ano lang yun, kumbaga, unlike kay Chandler na giving up a big part of his income, ako
yeah.
naman kasi well, hindi man 'to OFW. OFW feels pero hindi
Parang gano'n
OFW
na.
yung sahod. Oo, pero still giving up a stable income is hard. Pero ang
Yeah,
deepest why ko talaga nun is have time with the family and share more memories. Hindi yung tuwing uuwi lang o twice a month or thrice a month lang, 'di ba? So it's more on my, making memories. If kaya naman dito, why not dito,
yeah.
malapit sa family compared to malayo sa Bataan. Yes, you could provide better that time, I could provide better that time rather than, while doing part-time jobs kaysa mag-full-time as a financial coach. Pero mas matimbang yung time, time with family.
Hmm.
And then pursue yung gusto ko talagang ginagawa, which is talking to people, hindi talking with the machines. And so yun yung ano, yun yung why ko. Yan.
So, I guess to our life engineers who's watching and listening to us right now, ask yourself maraming beses, hindi lang isa, why? Why do you
Yeah.
need that career change? Why do you need to resign? Why do you need to transition? Ilang beses mo
Mm.
siyang tatanungin mo sa sarili mo and sana wag naman umabot to a point na yung ubus na ubus ka na, 'di ba?
Saka ka lang
So,
tatalon 'no?
yes,
Yeah. Ay
yes.
maganda yan mamaya,
Ayan,
sige. Ending namin ulit yan
ayan.
mamaya. Okey.
So, let's proceed with our
Ayan,
next step. Ayan, step number
ayan.
2 to changing careers as a young professional is to know your wants and needs. Kasi
Yes.
as
Bakit
mentioned
nga
'di ba
ba?
kanina, we all have different whys. And we all
Yeah.
have different wants and needs. So let's say for
Mm.
example, ito yung madalas kong sabihin sa mga name-mentor ko na young professionals and life engineers is actually we're simplifying it into three things. Tatlo lang yan. Number one is money. Diba? Not
Okey,
everyone is financially stable and not
agree.
everyone are okay, kumbaga with their finances. Kaya they stay in a job na kahit maliit, pero dahil yun yung nagsusuffice, yun yung naggi-give ng pera sa kanila, sa pang-araw-araw nila,
'Di
they still take
makaalis-alis.
it.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. And number two is yung having career development. So
Mhm,
regardless,
mhm.
mababa man yung sahod or it doesn't have an impact to other people. Pero kasi on his self, 'di ba?
Naggo-grow siya.
He's naggo-grow siya or either he's climbing the corporate ladder or He has all the time in the world para mag-aral ng all new skills, all new courses, 'di ba? Dahil nafi-feed yung career development niya, yung personal growth niya, okay na siya with that. Regardless of
Mm.
mababa, malaki yung sahod, basta yun, okay siya dun, he still stays. And the last one is having an impact to others. 'Di ba? So ito yung
Okay.
mga taong nag-a-academe or pumapasok sa mga NGOs or doing mga volunteer
Purposeful talaga
works.
'no? Yeah.
Yes. So, tatlong bagay lang yan. And we're not saying na hindi nyo kayang i-achieve yan lahat. Pero, you have one priority dun sa tatlong yan. And,
Mhm, mhm.
kumbaga minsan may mga tao, especially mga breadwinners dyan, di ba? Na kahit ito yung gusto nila, pero dahil ito yung need ng family nila, ito yung need ng nakakapalibot sa kanila, they still set aside what they want. So, you need to
Totoo.
know, ano ba tong wants mo, ano ba tong needs mo.
Mm.
Ayan.
Yeah, agree ako diyan. May mga clients akong ganyan na, "Wala, eh, ito yung nagpapakain sa'min, ito nagbibigay ng pagkain sa table namin. So, ba't ko 'to iiwan?" 'Di ba? Eh, ito yung magpapasaya sa pamilya ko, ito yung nagpapasaya sa kanila. Without ano, while sacrificing their wants, their needs, while providing for others, 'di ba? So, baka ito yun 'no, baka ito yung step 2,
Yeah.
is you have to define, 'di ba? You have to define ano ba yung kailangan mo before ka tumalon. And
Yeah, and I think ano, parang ipi-picture out mo siya as a balance scale, 'di ba? Talagang merong isa na mas mabigat pa rin. And
mm,
maybe for now, 'di ba, pipiliin mo muna kung ano yung need. And once na in the future, after a year, 2 years, 'di ba? Or kapag ready ka na to make that change or transition, yung wants mo naman. So
yeah,
again, ano
yan.
siya eh, it's knowing these two things, pero babalik ka pa rin sa one mo eh. What is your why?
Mhm,
So it's a
yeah,
step-by-step process, guys. Kaya pangalawa natin is to know what are your wants and needs. Ayan.
yan. So kung medyo nahihirapan ka na sagutin yung 2, balik ka kay 1. Bakit nga ba?
Yeah.
'Di ba? Which leads to step 3, 'di ba? So now that you know your wants and needs, your step 3 should be you have to prepare to change. So katulad ni Chandler, 'di ba? Katulad ni Chandler, while he is transitioning, alam niya na bababa ng di hamak yung
Yeah.
sahod niya kasi kumbaga new ka sa career na 'to, newbie ka, beginner ka, while dun sa dati niyang work as a data analyst or statistician na hanggang ngayon 'no guys, 'di pa namin talaga well,
Akala ko
hindi talaga
transponder.
hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin nun, basta yun yung trabaho niya, basta mayaman siya. Pero yun nga, dahil bago siya sa career, bago siya sa work, di ready yung kanyang income to, sustain the lifestyle he currently have.
Yeah.
Kaya ang ginawa niya, ready yung savings niya para to soften the impact of transitioning of a low-paying new career para sa kanya. So, ikaw, feeling ko lang wala ka masyadong naging prepare to change kasi sinampal ka nga ng pandemic. So, anong ginawa mo na lang na ayan, ways mo?
At I think for me, yung prepare to change talaga is slowly accepting the fact na hindi talaga magiging steady yung income. Kasi hindi ako
Mhm,
employed. So, I only relied on projects na papasok sa akin. So, there going to be months na may wins ka. There are going to be months na you would really have a problem. Saan ko kukunin tong panggastos
mm.
namin? Ganon. So, me accepting the fact na hindi siya stable is one of the things that I have to prepare. So, what I did is I look for another opportunity na would give an income to me, which is nag-business ako ng plants. Even though it
'Yun,
is totally different from my career as an engineer, pero nagiging aligned pa rin siya kasi somehow, um, yung mga bagay na gusto mo gawin, 'di ba? Parang there are things that are similar pa rin talaga and yun yung core values mo which is for me kaya hindi naging problem yung pagbebenta ng plants kasi it's something that I've been doing since nung high school ako or kahit nung bata pa ako. So, I'm really more of a market or salesperson talaga and I love talking to a lot of people. Kaya
Hmm.
hindi siya naging mahirap for me to change. Yeah.
So gusto mong kausap pa rin yung mga tao pero different avenue lang which
Yeah.
is through Happy Plants.
Yes,
And
yes.
it's nice,
How
that's
about
nice.
you? Ikaw, nung someone na magta-transition na, yung magfu-full-time ka na into the financial
Hmm,
career, anong mga preparations yung ginawa mo bago ka
tagal
tumalon?
ko, tagal ko,
Mhm.
3 years akong part-time, eh, pero I'm earning better with my part-time during my first year as a part-timer. Alam mo lang, ang dami ng signals, green signals na, "Uy, talon ka na, puwede ka na, kaya mo naman," ganyan. But dun ko natutunan sa sarili ko na I'm a conservative type. No, I'm not that a risk taker when it comes
Adventurous,
to
yeah.
yeah. Pero eventually, sinampal ka na ng katotohanan na, "Hoy, tama na. Hoy, tama na." You have to get out of your comfort zone and then ayun nga, kaso nga lang nung nakuha ko na yung transition na yun, nakapag-prepare na ako, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Yung akala mo prepared ka na sa lahat-lahat ng bagay, nakagawan mo na ng mga, plano, ganyan. Biglang pandemic nga, 'di ba? Biglang nagka-pandemic
Yeah.
ulit. So, hindi hindi ako nakapag-prepare for pandemic. That's why, preparation ko that time, hindi siya preparation, it's more on ano na siya, response. It's more on a
Yeah.
response na with what's happening around the world is to transition na talaga to have an online page, have our online branding na, hindi na ako kasi puwede makipag face-to-face meet with the clients. So,
Yeah.
that's wherein that's where I build the page, it's the Real Life Engineer. Para ngayon magkaroon tayo ng transition towards online business na talaga siya. So hindi yun lang ang lesson talaga dun is kahit na reading-ready na, plakado mo na lahat ng from plans A to Z, prepared ka na,
Z.
biglang nagkaroon ng AB, naging Excel, nagkaroon ng AB, AC. So ang dami ng ang daming puwede pa rin mangyari kahit planado mo na't lahat-lahat. Pero still
And
babalik ka pa rin sa why mo, bakit mo 'to ginawa, 'di ba? Bakit
yeah.
mo 'to gusto? Sige.
Siguro to sum up itong prepare to change, huge factor nito is money talaga or your finances. Kasi ang dali lang sabihin na tumalon ka na, mag-design ka na,
Mhm.
pero kaya na ba financially? Pera pa rin talaga, 'di ba?
So you have to be prepared financially and medyo mixed pa rin talaga siya. Pero siguro first trigger talaga yon ng pag-change mo is kaya ba financially? Pero finances is just the Band-Aid if wala kang
Yeah,
right support, wala kang, right environment, yung babalik ka rin sa dati mong ginagawa if walang support na nakukuha. So yung pera mo
yeah.
mauubos din yan, 'di ba? And so next step is to start slow. So, may away ka na, alam mo na yung wants and needs mo, alam mo na yung how you would prepare to change. So, next is to start slow. So, katulad ng sinabi ni Hannah, nag-slow start siya building, well, di mo akalain. Siguro ito rin di mo akalain na magagamit mo yung life skills na natutunan mo before to change your career. So, you're not technically starting from scratch. Diba? Kaya start slow yung nakalagay dyan. You're not technically starting from scratch kasi you have already skills you've created prior your decision of changing career. Like si Hannah, 'di ba, nakuha na niya, may skills siya to market anything, kaya niyang i-market kahit ano. Kaya nung tinry niya yung tinry niya yung plants, tinry niya maging career mentor, it's like, hindi masyadong bago. Siguro medyo onting aral na lang. Pero kasi alam niya ngayon na eto yung skills niya. So, sige, ikaw anong sa tingin mo about starting slow?
With starting slow kasi, kailangan din natin ma-accept the fact na once we transition, ang dami nating hahabulin pa, especially if it's a new career, 'di ba? Kasi with that, you have to learn new skills, you have to mingle to a new environment, 'di ba? You have a new boss and uncomfortable siya. Kaya kung
Mhm,
mamadaliin mo, hindi ka maggo-grow ng tama eh. So you just have
Mm.
to take it slow, 'di ba? You have the right people supporting you, katulad ni Chandler. Okay lang eh. You won't feel so bad about na yung mga bagay na iniwan mo just for this. Kaya kailangan
Yeah.
dahan-dahan lang tayo.
Yeah. So
Ayan.
ano dito eh, more on like don't compare maybe when you jump into that new career, meron mas bata sa'yo who's earning well and who's more skilled than you are.
Yeah.
Pero don't compare their page 100 to your page 1, 'di ba? Kaya you
Exactly.
should start slow and embrace that, "Okay, I'm a beginner." Oo. I'm a beginner and marami 'to, parang okey na sa pan-topic 'to, it's about you being an impostor. So, rather you using that impostor, uh, tap yourself and accept mo na you are a beginner, not an impostor. You're a beginner, meaning you could grow more than what you can imagine. So, start slow
Yeah.
choosing this career para sa'yo and
Ayan. And our fifth step, ito medyo mga specific steps na to, is to build your resume. Di ba nga, let's say for
yes.
example, nag-resign ka na or nag-pursue ka na of a different career, syempre you have to update your resume. Pero you also need to have the right skills towards dun sa career na gusto mo. Ayan.
Yes. So kung ako 'no, sige sample natin ako. Ang ang resume ko medyo plakado rin ng engineering ano yan, eh, non-destructive testing, level 2, level 2 hindi lang level 1 so medyo kinareer natin
Safety
yon.
pa.
Eh,
Mm.
safety practitioner, bosh, coach, lahat plakado biglang financial coach. Ha! Saan 'to galing? So, biglang may naligaw. So, you have to build your career ay, you have to build your resume towards ano ba yung gusto mo talagang career, towards ano ba yung gusto mo talagang itsura mo, 'di ba? So,
Yeah.
you have to build the right skills para diyan, ayan.
Especially with
Then
me din, example ko ako, ayan, graduated civil engineering pero nagbebenta ng halaman, a
mm,
contractor, tapos biglang nagto-talk na sa mga schools doing career sessions.
oo,
Pero if we're going to analyze it, yung skills nun is pasok pa rin. Halos same lang. Parang nag-iba lang ng label, 'di ba?
hmm. Ano mo naman,
Ayan.
kuwento mo naman paano mo nasabing parehas pa din?
So let's say for example ako sa contractor. Ayan. So
Hmm,
I design and do mga projects sa mga malls, commercial buildings. And then when I added Happy Plants, ganun pa rin. I design mga condo units, mga houses using plants naman. So you still have the
akala ko
right
may something about sa
the
paggo-grow nung halaman. Pero okey, okey.
Pero yun nga, it's the same skill sets, pero nagkaroon ka lang ng ibang platform or avenue para mailabas yung skills na yun.
Totoo. Yeah. So, ano lang 'yan, perspective lang 'yan, perspective lang.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
while you're building your resume, which leads us to our step 6, which is you should also build your brand.
Yeah.
So, ano ngayon kung may resume ka, alam mo yung wants mo, alam mo yung why mo, alam mo yung steps mo, kailangan mong gawin, pero hindi nila alam ano ng ginagawa mo. Hindi
Yeah.
alam ng mga nasa paligid. Nagbago ka na pala ng career, nagbago ka na pala ng ano, iba na pala pine-pursue mo. So, you have to make known sa lahat ng tao na ikaw ay may ganitong
Yun ka.
ginagawa na.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, add more.
So dito I think one of the best examples is tayong dalawa rin kasi we have two separate brands din. 'Di ba? With me, I have Engineer Hannah and doon it was clear that I am more than just an engineer. I still
Mhm.
post things that are really valuable to me, katulad ng career development, board exam tips, tapos I also post there yung life ko as an ate, 'di ba, as being a panganay. And syempre, on the technical side, aside from the technical side, yung mga other things na on the side na ginagawa ko katulad ng business, like plants, and kahit yung pagtatakoyaki rin on the side. So it's clear na parang nung nakwento sa atin na this is just a portion of me. So it makes everyone know na hindi ka lang engineer lang. Ayan.
Yeah, tama. Ayan.
Ayan. And doon na tayo sa ating last step, which is to start building your network. Now that everything is clear, 'di ba? You already have your resume, you already have your brand, ready ka nang tumalon, 'di ba? You have to build your network. Kasi
Mhm.
usually itong mga networks mo na to would really bring you to the right career path, to the right job. Katulad nung kay Chandler, 'di ba? Kumbaga, okay naman siya before eh, 'di ba? Kahit nung friends pa lang sila ni Monica, wala namang significant change, pero nagkaroon ng big impact nung na-realize niya nung naging sila na ni Monica na mapapalayo siya, which had a huge impact na into his decision making. So dito talaga
Mhm.
is to build and have the right environment and network pa rin talaga.
Yan. So, with the help of his friends, ni Chandler and syempre ni Monica, dahil supportive, no? So, wala, umiikot lang talaga yung story ng friends sa kanilang anim. So, di natin alam ano pong
Yeah.
network ni
Sino
Chandler.
pa?
But, dun lang yung with that kind of, scenario, with the help of Monica and yung kaibigan niya, nakahanap siya ng better opportunities kasi resonate na ng positive vibes si Chandler sa paligid. Kaya tuloy yung opportunities lumalapit na sa kanya, 'di ba? So,
Yeah.
katulad nun, maybe 'no, you're thinking na si Chandler is a fictional character, kaya ganito, ganyan lang. Pero still, kumbaga gist nun or context nun is you have to be confident that you're changing career, you're confident of having your skills, your services, and your products na may po-provide mo for your clients, for your new business, or for your career, okay ka. Sa
Yeah.
ayun.
Ayan. And also, ma-sum it all up ko rin na when you are doing a career change, 'di ba, wala namang right or wrong, wala namang tamang formula, or wala namang tamang
Mhm.
tool para malaman na tumalon ka na, mag-transition ka
Oo.
na, 'di ba? It will still be you who will decide on that. Pero
Mm.
syempre, if you need inputs from your mentors, 'di ba? From your family, sa special someone mo, yes, it will have an impact sa decision mo, but still, ikaw at ikaw pa rin yung magde-decide on your own. So with whatever that
Yes.
you have right now, 'di ba? It's a lifelong journey. And nandito naman kami ni Rayuel and your fellow life engineers to help you in any way that we can. Ayan.
And always remember, you are the engineer of your own life. So, ikaw bahala kung anong klaseng innovation ang gusto mong gawin para sa sarili mo. Posible yan basta gusto mo. So again, thank you for joining us on another episode. So, sum it up ulit natin, no? Run through natin itong 7 steps. First step is
Why? Why?
ayan. So, ask
Ask
yourself why.
yourself why. Number
Ask
2
yourself
is to
why.
know what your
Your wants
wants
and
and what.
needs.
And number
Yeah.
3 is prepare to change.
And number 4 is for you to start slow.
Number 5 is to build your resume.
And number 6, hindi wala end. Number 6 is to build your brand.
And last but not the least, build your network. Ayan.
Ayan. So, alin, step ka na ba? Sa tingin mo, ngayong nagta-transition ka na or napapaisip ka na, nasang step ka na ba? So, if you like our episode, and so feel free to follow us on our social media. Go, Hannah.
I'm Engineer Hannah on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
And I am your life engineer in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And feel free to join our online community Facebook group. It's the Life Engineers Community.
And always remember that you are the engineer of your own life.
And be 1% better every day. So see you in our next episode.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Ang 40D, tumutulong patibayin ng vital organs, iwas sakit sa puso at iba pang sakit.
Ang ubo, mabilis lumala. Kaya dapat agapan. Dapat New Solmux Advanced Syrup. May 2 times zinc para ang ubo, imbis na lumala, tulungang mabilis mawala. New Solmux Advanced Syrup.
Unilab yan.